Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add a call, text or email button to Instagram profile. For that we need to go to Instagram account and click here. You need to click here to profile, and you need to click here edit profile. Click on edit profile, and here you need to click your personal account to professional account. I was going to professional account, and you need to click on continue. I was clicking on artist, and it was done, and it was scrolling. Wait a few seconds. After that, you need to click on business account. Click the next option. It was few seconds. It was rolling, and here we need to add mail. As clicking the mail and address. Which address do you want to click the address and click on done. And you need to go to next option. Click on the next option. Now it was done, and I was clicking the skip, and I was completed the my details. Like this, you can add a call, text, email button, or profile. Thank you.